Hey, welcome to another video. Today I'll be teaching you how to grip switch. And so without further ado, let's hop right into the video. Alright, so to be able to do the grip switch, or rather the grip transition, first we're gonna have to pull out our index finger a little bit outside of the ring of the karambit and stop right over here by the first or the third line of your index finger, depending on the way you look at it. Next, step 2, we're gonna have to open up our grip. Release your 3 fingers, you don't have to extend, but you just have to release it, even this is fine. Then third, your thumb. Your thumb, you have to slide it in, reaching the upper grip of the karambit. Right? So from over here, we're just going to reach in. We're going to slide in to the upper grip of the karambit. Now from here, it's going to be as easy as a thumbs up. What I mean by that is you're just going to go from this to this. Pretty much it. Right? So let's give that a try. So we're going to slide it in, position like this, and then thumbs up. And just like that, the karambit is now on top. Just shake it a little bit with some momentum, and you should be able to go into the foregrip. Yeah? So let's try that again. From here, faster. From here, thumbs up, faster, yeah? So, how does that work exactly? Let's break down into detail. So from this finger position, what we're actually doing here is we're clenching our index finger and moving our thumb to the side. Now keep in mind when you do this, we want to do them at the same time at least a normal pace. Because if you do it too slow, you get stabbed. Clear enough? Now if you only do one thing, which is let's do the thumb only, you get stabbed. Do the index finger only, you get stabbed. Simple shit. So, again, we're going to slide our thumb in to the upper grip of the karambit. From here, we're going to thumbs up and it's up here. Simple as that. So if we do that faster, easy. Do that faster, easy. Do that faster, we switch, we switch, we switch and switch, and that's pretty much it. So now we're going to try to learn how to go from the over grip to the under grip. And it's as easy as this. Just like that, just one swing. Now how do we do that? So from the over grip position, we're going to tilt our karambit facing right. If you're right-handed, it faces right. Then from here, our middle finger and our thumb is going to squeeze in the karambit stem or the karambit's grip. We're not actually going to squeeze in like squeeze, because if we do that, we're not going to be able to move it out. Just squeeze it lightly. Have a light grip. From here, we're going to tilt the blade. We're going to tilt the karambit over. We're not going to throw, but only tilt. Alright, from here, just retract it and then you got it back in your hands. Oh, and in future content, I'll be teaching you advanced grip transitioning techniques like these. So, if you're up for that, subscribe now and you won't miss a thing. And so that's it for this video. Now I hope you learned something, I hope you found this helpful, and if you think it'll be helpful to your friends, then why not share it? So that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Ryan Ross, and I'll see you on the next video.